Sup, y'all. It's pretty early. Thought I'd do some coding today. Sorry, I just need to get my brain working. Um, I want to create a level. That's my goal for today. Create some sort of level with a beginning, middle, and end. And by that I mean none of that. I think I want to keep this relatively simple and try to utilize all the gameplay mechanics. I know it's played out and done, but I just want something to show my friends. And I think now this kind of thing hasn't been done too much in VR. So it might end up being pretty fun. I'm just going to make a wave-based survival game from this. It could be like, yeah, I'm playing a lot of the new Call of Duty, and I absolutely despise it. I think it's a terrible game, but playing that Call of Duty's got me thinking about Nazi zombies a little bit. And I was thinking it would be cool to just do some simple, it would be able to use all the guns, the grenade. Right now I can stick with the magic carp and increase his health and the amount of them based off of what wave we're on. Make some sort of simple algorithm to do that, and then potentially add in new enemies in the future. And it's pretty scalable and relatively simple, and I don't have to design a complicated level. My mic disconnects randomly. Hopefully we didn't lose anything there. Yeah, so I want something that is scalable, and I hate making levels, so at least with this I can make a relatively simple level, which is good. I suck at level design, but you need everything to be simpler in VR because it's a little bit harder for people to get used to. So that's okay. I'll probably do some meandering, looking for inspiration and stuff to rip off to kind of get a nice level. I was thinking 2 floors, and that's about all I got. There will be 2 floors. So yeah, let's get at it. I have no idea how to make levels. Okay, quick little update. I did some doodling. Pretty good at paint, not gonna lie. So I just wanted to basically draw a picture of Pikachu and just kind of have an idea of where the enemies are gonna come in from, and I can never see my cursor in paint. But yeah, it's pretty sweet Pikachu. I'm a really good artist, as you can tell. And what I'm gonna do with the stuff. So I was thinking I could flesh out the second floor more, but that would involve effort, and I really don't want to do that. I just want to make a fun little distraction of a game with relatively simple levels that a new person can pick up. And if it ends up being fun, I'll make the levels more complicated, but for now I just need a prototype level. So the second floor is going to be kind of dead ends, with the 2 stairs leading up from the first floor. That's not the eraser. Come on, Sean, you should be good at paint. But it'll have the weapons you can purchase up top, also with the ammo in the middle. So the idea in my head is it's kind of risky to go up here during the middle of the heat of it, because you can get trapped. And that's what I'm going for, that you can get trapped in the corner trying to purchase a weapon or something. Actually, the pistol, we'll have the pistol purchasable downstairs. The pistol will be here. So yeah, you could get trapped. And then I'm going to kind of just have clutter through all these areas. I'm not sure what this room is, but they'll have a little theme to them. And then basically the idea would be that you could do laps and kind of just fucking kite the zombies as you run in circles. And then when you run out of ammo, you have to go upstairs. And yeah, that's kind of the idea. I wrote down some ideas. Purchasing the guns and stuff will be just a straight rip off of basic zombies, which is it's on the wall. You press it, you'll just get it. The ammo system, it's not going to be you purchase ammo as you go. These guns will come with ammo loaded into them, but to get more ammo for your holsters, you can what you're going to do is you're going to purchase time in the box. When you purchase time, the box will open up, and from there you have a time limit to grab as much ammo as you need and put it in your holster, and then when that's done, it closes, and then that's it. So yeah, I think this is relatively simple. It should be 25 minutes to make. I have to learn how to use Pro Builder because I don't know how, so that's good for me. I don't ever make levels. I generally enjoy just programming behaviors and stuff, not making levels, so this will be a fun experience. I'm more so excited to actually code the gameplay of this though, so Okay, so OBS broke on me. I did record my final outro thing. It's probably good that it messed up because I kind of sounded insane. But yeah, I've been ticking away at this all day. Just mostly kind of doing nothing. But I made a level. I made the waves. Infinitely spawning zombies every wave. There's more zombies with more health and so forth. It spawns them in volleys, so like 5 at a time. You could increase the number, it doesn't matter. It gave me a bunch of things I need to add. The zombies don't strafe. Player can, rotate through the walls. Also can't go upstairs. Zombies are way too fast, and it gives me anxiety. There's no UI, so like contextual button presses or what wave you're on should be displayed. You can't die. That's a really easy fix. You can die. You do die. Just nothing happens. I want more sound effects. I was thinking about having me moan, like orgasmically for the zombie sound effects. We'll see. So yeah, a million things I need to do now. I made the zombie spawner script, which basically does what I just said. Spawn zombies infinitely. Each wave, when a wave is complete, it adds more health and more zombies, and so forth. Made a script called Gun Rack, which is, in Call of Duty, the things on the wall where you purchase the weapon. I made that, so you can go up to it. Purchase guns. They cost money. It's just the value you put in. The score is incremented each time you kill a zombie. Right now, you can purchase guns for free, just because I didn't want to, I'm still testing. So it just sets the score value to the gun cost every time you buy a weapon, just so you always have the money to do it. What else? I tried to add melee. It didn't seem to be working, but we'll fix that later. It seems that this script isn't working at all, but we'll figure that out later. Not a big deal. I'm not too worried about it. I just kind of like half-assed, did it and didn't test. As you can see, this level is kind of what I said it would be, just super basic. You have an area where you can do laps, and then at the top, the gun's here, the gun's there. It's a dead end, kind of don't want to trap yourself. I'll add an ammo box here. Just want something simple so I can test this and see how it feels, and maybe design something a little more complex after. Turns out Pro Builder's hard to use. Now that it's hard to use, I just have no idea how to use it. It would have been easier for me to make this in Blender. I have less experience with Blender, but I understand how to use that more. I watched 2 minutes of a tutorial and I was like, fuck it, I'll just try to do it myself. And then that caused, I'm pretty sure, these weird lighting bugs here. Because the edges and stuff are all fucked. But doesn't matter. For this, it's fine. So yeah, I'll show you this. I'll fight one wave off really quickly with the shotgun, just because the shotgun's OP. These zombies give me anxiety. So, yeah. How the fuck did I spawn on the stairs? Where are they? How long is the spawn time? Go, go, go. Oh no, they're coming. I fell down the stairs. No. Alright, yeah. So I believe there's some issues with cleaning up and there's slight frame drops, and I think that's just because my code's not too optimized, but for now it's pretty fun. Not gonna lie, I don't know. It's a quick little VR experience, kind of what I wanted out of it. I think once I flesh this out a little more, it'll actually be something relatively fun to play. An Infinite Survivor, you can play for 10 minutes and, go, oh yeah, VR, that's a cool thing to do. So yeah, here I am getting gangbanged by 12 Magikarps. Pikachu. Anyways, peace.